In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the new proposal email template. We'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click, what to edit, and how to make your message clear, consistent, and ready to send. First, open your app or dashboard and head to Settings. This is the control center for all your preferences. If you don't see Settings right away, look for a gear icon, your profile menu, or a sidebar link labeled Settings. Make sure you have the right permissions to adjust emails. If you're part of a team, these controls might be limited to administrators. Inside Settings, select Email Customization. This is where the look and wording of your emails are managed. Give the page a moment to load. Some systems organize these options into tabs. If you see multiple sections, choose the one specifically for templates, not general email sending or branding. Next, scroll to Email Templates. You may find a list, a grid, or expandable sections. Take your time. Templates are often grouped by purpose, like onboarding, invoices, or proposals. If there's a search box, typing proposal can speed this up, but scrolling works just as well. Find the entry labeled New Proposal. This is the template used when you send a fresh proposal to a client. Open it to reveal the subject line and message body fields. You might also see preview or placeholder hints showing what will be filled in automatically, like a client name or proposal title. Now customize the email template. Start with the subject. Keep it short, clear, and professional. Something like, "Your proposal from our team" works well. In the message body, explain what the recipient is receiving and what you want them to do next. A simple, effective example is, "Please review the proposal attached below." You can add a friendly greeting and a concise closing, but avoid clutter. If your editor supports variables, consider including first name or proposal title to personalize the note. Maintain a consistent tone with your brand, use plain language, and make sure the key action, reviewing the attached or linked proposal, is unmistakable. Before you finish, scan for typos and keep paragraphs short for readability on mobile. Finally, click Save Changes, if the option is available. In some systems, changes save automatically. In others, the Save button appears after you make an edit. Look for a confirmation banner or checkmark to ensure your updates are stored. That's it. Your new proposal email template is now customized and ready to use the next time you send a proposal.